Hello friends, in this video we'll see how to reset the PC. If you are giving this PC to your friend or you wanna sell this PC, then you have to reset the PC as well. So this video will help you to do that. So for that, first go to the search button and type for reset this PC. Then click on the reset this PC on the right side. Then here you will have a two option. Just click and remove everything if you are giving this laptop to someone else. Or if you want to choose the files, then keep my files. So you can do a local reinstall, which will take less time to do reset. Then you can check a setting from here as well. Then you can clean the data so that it cleans the hard drive fully. Just click yes and download Windows 2. Then you can read some information here. Then click on next. Then it will take some time and final display will come up with lots of information. You can read through that and click on reset. So in this journey, your computer will restart several times. So just be patient. And then finally it will reset and come to the home screen. I'll see you in another video.